Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and it is time for the Crystal Art Advent Calendar opening, day 4. Remember, this is a pretty thick box, so let's see if we can get that open. I can usually open it pushed down, but I can't get it open. Let me get it open. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, another ornament. How cute is that one? That is very cute. I wonder if they're all ornaments. Well, the candy canes weren't ornaments, right? Sort of. All right, let's see what we got. What a cute one. Kind of like a sunburst almost, with a snowflake in the middle. All right, so they give us our little rhinestones. And in this one, we get, oh, actually 5 different ones. Wow. Okay, so let's get our little tray out. Little tray, and then our wax and our pen. And if you've done this type of art before, you kind of know how it goes. But this little ornament has a little sheet on to protect the adhesive, so we're going to take that off. And then we're going to just start with the ones and put all the ones on first, and then we'll move on to the 2s and etc. So I'm just going to put a few in here because sometimes getting them back in is not always the easiest. But jiggling that also turns most of the rhinestones over. So which one has been your favorite so far? We made the candy cane into a little, you know, the front of a tag and a little pocket. That was a fun one. And then the other 2 I just put onto the Christmas tree. They sent a magnetic Christmas tree to collect or attach all of your ornaments, I guess, or whatever is behind the doors. But I'd never seen an Advent calendar like this before. So I wanted to do them with you. And look how cute that is. Cute. All right, well, I'm going to speed this up and finish putting all the numbers on here and the rhinestones, and then we will, let's see, I'm on one. We will see what's next. You to see the shape of 5 stones like teardrops. So cute. Well, I'm going to get these put on, and then we'll see the finished product here. Isn't that cute? That is really adorable. Now I can just put it on this tree with the other ones, or I could put it in a journal and accent a page. We'll see what we want to do with these later down the road. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.